Welcome to the video version of Lecture 2 of 61A. A playlist of videos like this will be posted to the course website before every live lecture. And the video playlist contains everything that we're going to say in live lecture. All of the contents, all of the examples. Why do these exist? Well, there are a lot of students enrolled in this course. Even when we ran the first lecture on Zoom, we had a crowd in Wheeler because lots of people showed up. And these videos are an alternative to coming to live lecture, but it's a choice. You're certainly welcome to come to live lecture all semester, or you can watch these videos. And whichever you choose, you're not going to miss anything. But the point of these videos is actually not just crowd control. In many ways, they're better. Because live lecture can be too fast or too slow, or if you just don't pay attention for a minute, you might miss something important and then be lost for the rest of the hour. Whereas videos, you can play faster, you can play slower, you can pause, you can rewind. And so they're actually a great way of learning computer science material. With all these advantages, you might think that everybody watches the videos, but that's not true. Typically, most students do switch to watching videos, but sometimes they come to live lecture. And there are always students who come to live lecture throughout the whole semester, and that's great too. So, try both, figure out what works for you. Live lecture 2 will be on Zoom again, and it will cover exactly the same material that's in this playlist of videos. It will just be over Zoom with me answering questions as I go. And then starting next week, live lecture will be actually live in Wheeler Hall. There will not be a Zoom option. But for the rest of the semester, I'll continue to post videos like these before the live lecture, and you could watch those instead if you prefer. You will notice that I look younger in some of the videos. I don't produce them all from scratch every semester, but I will promise you that every time we update the material in any way, I'll remake the videos so that they're all up to date, even if they're not all brand new. And just like live lecture, these videos will always start with some announcements.